In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a profile pin on Amazon Prime Video. This step-by-step guide will help you add an extra layer of security to your viewing profile, ensuring that your curated content stays private and tailored to your preferences. Let's dive right into it. First things first, you'll want to head over to primevideo.com. You can do this from any web browser, on your computer or mobile device. Once you've reached the homepage, it's important to make sure you're logged into your Amazon Prime account so you can access all your profile settings. If you're not logged in, go ahead and do so now. Once you're on the main page of Amazon Prime Video and logged in, you'll notice your profile icon at the top right corner of the screen. Give it a click. This opens up a menu that contains various options pertaining to your account, such as managing your profile, account settings, and more. For today, we want to focus on creating that secure pin, so click on the section labeled Manage Profiles. After you're in the Manage Profiles section, look for the option to Edit Profile. Clicking this will take you to a page where you can modify various elements related to your existing profiles, including names, icons, and more. Inside the Edit Profile section, you'll find a pencil icon. Clicking this icon allows you to change specific details and access additional settings related to your profile. Next, you will see a section labeled Account Pin and Locks. Right beneath this, there's a Manage button. Give that a click. This will bring you to a screen where you can set up a new pin. Type in a 4-digit pin that you can easily remember but isn't obvious to others. Keep in mind that this pin will be used to restrict access to this profile, so make sure it's something secure yet memorable. Finally, hit the Submit button to save your new pin settings. And there you have it. Your Amazon Prime Video profile is now protected with a pin. This additional layer of security helps ensure that your profile and viewing habits remain private, keeping your personal content safe from those who might have access to your device. There you go, a secure profile set within minutes. Anytime you need to manage this pin or make changes, just repeat these steps. Thank you for watching and enjoy the peace of mind that comes with added security on your Amazon Prime Video profile.